Local news for Thursday the 29th of August. A by-election to appoint the fourth member of the Greytown and Featherston Community Boards will be carried out mid to late November. Both areas require 4 candidates and only received 3 nominations. And South Wairarapa candidate Lee Carter has withdrawn from the upcoming council elections due to health reasons. Carter is an existing Featherston Ward councillor and had again submitted nominations for that position for the South Wairarapa District Council mayoralty as well. Attracting consumer spend to Wairarapa's retailers is about to become much easier with the introduction of YPay. The YPay project initiative aims to bring the most up-to-date payment system solutions currently being used worldwide to Wairarapa. It's hoped it'll help regional retailers by providing more ways to pay for locals and visitors wanting to spend money in our region. And in sport, it's netball finals time this weekend. The Prem 1 finals sees Harcourts play Wairarapa College. Prem Reserve, Harcourts Elite take on Opaki Vixens, and in the Prem Reserves, it's Matamura playing Ngā Iwi. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.